What is a process? When your computer runs a program, that program becomes a process. A process is a program in execution. It contains a program counter, a stack, a heap, and data. The computer doesn't just read code, it transforms it into a living, running process. Is a program the same as a process? No. A program is static. It's a file sitting on disk. A process is dynamic. It runs in memory. Think of it this way. A recipe is the program. Cooking is the process. The same recipe in different kitchens creates different processes. One program can spawn multiple processes. Every process has 5 states. New, just created. Ready, waiting to run. Running, executing on the CPU. Waiting, blocked on I/O. Terminated, finished. The OS keeps a process control block, or PCB, for each process. The PCB stores the process ID, state, program counter, register values, and memory information. What is a thread? A thread is a lightweight unit of execution inside a process. While a process has its own isolated address space, threads share the same process memory. Each thread has its own stack and program counter, but code and data are shared. This makes communication between threads extremely fast. Multi-threading is the foundation of modern software. A context switch is when the CPU switches from one process to another. First, the running process's PCB is saved. The program counter, registers, and memory maps are stored. Then the new process's PCB is loaded. During this transition, the CPU does no useful work, so context switching is overhead. The fewer switches, the more efficient the system. The dispatcher selects a process from the ready queue and gives it to the CPU. It has 3 jobs: perform the context switch, switch to user mode, and jump to the correct address. The time the dispatcher takes is called dispatch latency. The shorter this latency, the faster the system responds.